Executive Founder Director for S.E.E.K Foundation, which stands for Seeking Education Empowers Knowledge, because we believe that education can take you anywhere in the world with resources. And so today we are teaching kids how to build skateboards, but we're also going to go over how to incorporate potential energy, which is the physics formula. And then we also have kinetic energy for the physics formula.
You got one of these. These are all the tools you're going to use. Your screws, your nuts, and your bolts.
Awesome. Here you go. So we try to tie in real life skills that they can do, whether it's from coding, from going to competitions with robots and or building skateboards, just to give them those practical skills. Awesome. And so that's our niche. We do different forms of STEM and or STEAM education to get kids involved in practical skills that they normally don't teach in schools. And so we are so grateful with the partnership of Microsoft and of course with Birmingham Institute, Birmingham Civil Rights Institute with Dr. Briggs to have us here today.
On the low, on the low, on the low. Angelina, you dey cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall in your hand never. So now me you could love forever. I'm a cocky no feeble letter. I'm a Angelina, I'm a Angelina. Oh no, so when I want to come out, make a signal you. Why you want to request on me like I interview? I'm tryna put a ring on your finger too, and be a better guy.